Everybody, I want to show you how I turn a simple meal planner into a full-blown app. So here's a PDF that I've made. It says meal planner. We got a cover page. We've got each day of the week, breakfast, lunch, dinner for notes. Goes through. Okay, easy PDF, right? Great freebie for something if you're a recipe blogger or that you operate a content site with food. So, but I really think it could become something even better. So I created this personalized meal planner, and let me show it for you. All right, so here you go. You're going to plan your meal. You pick how many people. You're going to decide how much your weekly budget's going to be. You could pick how much you want to spend on each meal. You can add in dietary preferences. Look at how much more personalized this is becoming versus that static PDF. This is what I'm talking about when I'm talking about interactive tools. So we're also going to add snacks to the list, and we're going to have the web-based tool create it for us. Now, if you had a website that had a lot of recipes on it, you could set up the back end of this engine so that when it's creating the meal plan for you, I'll show you as it comes up and it builds your plan. You could have this linking where it says view recipe. This could go directly to your website. It could pull recipes only from your website to make this meal planner. So that would make a great membership fee that you could charge for your food blog. And look at how awesome this is. I mean, I'm a mom to six, and this would be just so incredibly helpful for me if I was able to put in how many people I'm going to feed, a meal plan for the whole week. You can set it so it gives you an entire shopping list. Like we said, it was set to be under a certain budget or around that budget. You could get very specific if that's what your readers are financially conscious. You could focus on that. There's so many things you could focus on. You could save the whole meal plan. I like how this one offers you the option to see it in the weekly or the daily. So now I'm going to go back and change it and do it only for one person, just to show you an example of trying to get it done for even cheaper. We want every meal under $5. We're going to have no dietary preferences. Again, we're going to be an average cooker, and we're going to put this through the meal planner. And you'll see that this time the costs are, around $5 per meal. So it's working within those parameters of what your readers might like. Again, this could be set to whatever your customer base is. So let me know what you think in the comments, or what tools you would want to create with the PDFs that you have. Feel free to reach out at Action Lab HQ and turn your idea into income. All right, see you next time.